folks, welcome and welcome back. So it's been a minute since I've done a reaction to Putri Ariani, one of my favorite Indonesian singers of all time. She's young, but I really do admire her work. I really do admire her voice, and I also really do admire her beautification, bro. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And Putri, it's been a while since I've done a reaction to you, baby girl, but you know your boy, your Jamaican friend here, who really likes your work, your style, and also your passion for singing. I admire it a lot. So, without further ado, people, let's see what she's about. So, I'm reacting to Putri Ariani, I Will Always Love You. Now, I've heard a lot of people sing this as a cover, and I haven't heard Putri sing it yet. So, let's find out right now. Take a walk with me. I'll be right back. Let's see what she's about. Peace.
Should stay, I would only be
Magical. Just magical. Bro, she never fails, bro. Like, this woman never fails, bro. She's just full of surprises. Bro, I miss her so much, guys. To be honest, I didn't even realize that this was released 4 days ago, and I haven't reacted to it as yet, bro. I'm so sorry. Like, I missed out a lot. But here I am right now. Let's continue.
your way. So I go, but I know I think of you every step of the way.
Guys, I can tell by her professionalism that she sings every day. She practices to sing every day, and for such a young female to hold out a note from couple seconds long to almost a minute, bro, that's insane. That's really insane, guys.
And I say, we'll always love you. We'll always love you. You, my darling,
Guys, I'm so proud of her to come this far. She's reaching so much people across the world. Hopefully, she can come to Jamaica. I would really like to see her in Jamaica. Anywhere she's located in Jamaica, I have to find her, bro. She's one of my biggest inspiration in Jamaica. She's also one of my biggest inspiration from Indonesia, bro. Like, this is very, very beautiful, guys.
Memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know
breathless. I'm speechless right now to even sit and even to listen to this woman, bro. Like, she's just so freaking bewildering. Bro, she's just amazing. Let me repeat myself with that word. Bewildering. Very, very amazing female. Her voice is just pure gold, bro. She sings nothing but golden. Whoa, 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 whoa. I love this. I really do. I admire this so much. Very, very good. Excellent job, Putri. Excellent job. Now, let's continue. Mighty God, bro. Guys, Putri is just different. Very different. Peculiar. I mean, like, I've never heard no one with this type of singing before. Yeah, I do encounter a lot of people who can sing really good, but everyone is different. Putri stands out. She's like that one person who's just different from the entire crowd, and just because that person is different, everyone looks to that person. This is what Putri is being let's see, described as. Very peculiar. I admire her work so much, bro. She's just wow. I'm so proud of her. Very proud.
And I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you
Guys, to be honest, I don't know what to say, but something that she does, what I really do like, is that she's singing with bands, bro. Like, bro, she's not using just a piano only. She's using bands, bro. And she's just controlling. She's in breath control with the words. She's just on point with everything, bro. Professional. That's truly a professional work. I don't care what nobody's saying. Whether she's blind or no, she's doing it like any regular person would do. And to be honest, I'm kind of sad in a way because there are so much people came out to support her and she can't see them, bro. Like, that's kind of sad, but Putri, we have you. You can hear our hearts crying out to you. So keep on giving us your good work and we'll give you back what you requested from us, which is supporting you. Thank you so much, Putri. You are truly one of a kind. Let's continue. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody freaking hell, bro. That's sick. Guys, to be honest, I'm not even having any regrets. Because the first time I've heard this woman was when she's performing at America's Got Talent and she killed it, bro. She come back again and she reincarnates, then she kill me again, bro. She kill it, like. Oh well, okay, guys. I'll see you next time around. Thank you so much for watching. Putri Ariani, thank you so much. I do admire your works. It's an inspiration for me that entitles me to go harder. And yeah, that's it. See you next time around, guys. Peace. Love from Jamaica.